We are Cindy and Eddie.
And this is Squeeze the Day.
In our last video, you saw us as we left Galveston Island State Park on a ferry. We had another flat tire, got a chance to check out some more parks along the way, and a little bit of a swamp, and crossed a couple of state borders as we returned back to Florida. In today's video, we are going to be visiting Falling Waters State Park. Located in northwest Florida, this park was a perfect location to stop and rest on our long journey from Texas. This is also an opportunity for us to do a comparison between the state parks in Texas and the state parks in Florida. As you can see, it's an easy access to this particular state park. And surprisingly enough, the check-in procedure was faster than the Texas State Parks procedures were. So let's get into it right now. Since we're camping in an RV, we're going to follow the route to the RV camping locations. Along the route, we could tell right away that we were going to enjoy this particular location. And when we arrived to the RV camping site, we got even more excited about exploring the area. Some of the amenities that Falling Waters State Park has to offer include a public dump station, a volleyball court which has sand on it, a play area for children, and this amazing public bathhouse. We took a look inside but didn't want to disturb anybody that was in there. This bathhouse is very clean and very well maintained. It's also centrally located, so it's easy access equally to everybody in the park. But enough of that. Let's go and see what we're really excited about, which of course are the trails, and you're going to see in just a moment. Today we are bringing you to Falling Waters State Park in Florida. We are back in Florida, folks. This is the tallest waterfall in Florida, and it also has the deepest sinkhole in Florida. So we're gonna go check it out.
Yeah, and we're bringing you along. Path here is clearly marked. Not very rough terrain. A really nice clear path. Off to the right there, you can see the lake. Benches along the way. Nice little beach area next to the lake. That path takes you down to the lake. We're gonna head over here. And look, beautiful little boardwalk to walk on. A built-in bench. How cool.
Follow this up that winding path. There's a tent camping area. Rinse the sand off.
And onward to the waterfall. Tells you exactly where you are in the world.
As always, we're going to point out the interesting things we find along the way.
Straight ahead.
We absolutely loved this walk. It was a little long, so if you can't walk the distance for whatever reason, it's okay. They have a parking lot that's available over by the waterfalls.
This one. You can sit down and even get the sun off your head. 1919.
There's two ways to get to the waterfall. If you want to take the long path to the left, that also goes to parking lot, which you can drive up to. We're going to take the right path because we're walking.
This is really well done. And you feel very safe on these walkways too. Here's our first glimpse of the waterfall. It's not very full today, pretty moderate. There's another landing down there where we're going to be headed. And on our walk back, we couldn't help but enjoy the beauty around us. Beautifully serene.
Thank you for joining us. We hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications so you can continue to follow us on our adventures.
And as always, squeeze the day and be well.
Join us in our next video as we visit Colt Creek State Park, where we're going to check out some wildlife, take a walk on the wild side, take in some more of Florida's beauty, ask the locals what their favorite activities are, and find out what some of the amenities that this park has to offer for everybody.